reupholstered. Seams are all nicely woven. Very heavy fabric, guaranteed not to peel. He pretty much guarantees his material for life. Real nicely done. Very comfortable to sit in. You don't slip around like you did in the other chairs. Couch. Once again, all nylon. Oh yeah, real heavy fabric. Very comfortable to sit in, like I said. Redid the cushions, firmed them up for us. Can actually sit in it and feel like you're in a quality unit now. The dining area, he actually put all new firmer foam in for us, so you don't sit on the wood underneath when you sit. All new material. Zippers, in case you do want to clean them. Everything is zippered. Use the darker material over here where you eat, just in case you have a food stain or something. It'll hide it a little more. There we have it. Incredible. Incredible. So yeah, this ran us about $2,000 installed, including the materials. And I believe he said it was around 10 yards. I'd have to check the notes on that. But boy, oh boy, it's such an improvement. Couldn't be happier. So you had a situation like we did, it might be worth the investment just to go ahead and have everything reupholstered. Anyway, thanks for watching.